Flat Earth Nation's theology, this is what we have. We had this as a goal. Because why? Well, from the time the daily sacrifice is abolished and the abomination of desolation set up, there will be that much time. We also Revelation 5, and there will be time no more. There's no more chronologies that we trust. I hope everybody's on board that they've added 1,000 years to our history. So if you take the 1,290 years from September 11th, 2001, you go back to the Julian calendar change. You go back to the Gregorian calendar change, where they say there was a dark age, a middle age, where they didn't even improve the plow. But then after that was the Renaissance, and boom, from that time, 1666 to 1714 and going forward, wow, here comes steam power. Here comes metalworking with micrometers. Here comes the first industrial revolution. Here comes the canals out of all the streets, the rediscovering all of the big cities, and all they had to do was clean out the mud flood, because the mud flood was Armageddon. And then it continues. Blessed is he who reaches the end of the 1335 days. That's 45 more years. We're 20 years past September 9/11 right now. That puts us on board for 25 more years.